Top 10 biggest churches in the Philippines. The Philippines is home to grand and historic churches, showcasing its deep-rooted Christian faith. These churches stand out for their size, architecture, and spiritual significance. 1. Taal Basilica, Batangas, also called the Basilica of Saint Martin of Tours. This is the largest Catholic church in Asia, measuring 88.6 meters long and 48 meters wide. Built in 1856, it features grand baroque architecture and sits atop a hill overlooking Taal. 2. Santo Domingo Church, Quezon City, the largest church in Metro Manila. It combines Art Deco style with massive interiors. It houses the miraculous image of Our Lady of the Rosary of La Naval and spans over 3,000 SQM. 3. Manila Cathedral Intramuros, the Mother Church of the Philippines. This Romanesque Byzantine cathedral is the seat of the Archbishop of Manila. It has been rebuilt 8 times due to war and natural disasters. 4. Santa Enio Basilica, Cebu City. Built in 1565, it's the oldest Catholic church in the country and home to the image of the Santo Enio. It is the center of the Sinulog Festival and draws millions of pilgrims yearly. 5. Taal Church Ilocos Norte, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This church features earthquake baroque architecture with massive buttresses designed to withstand tremors. It's a symbol of Ilocano faith and ingenuity. 6. Miyako Church Iloilo, another UNESCO gem. This church is known for its blended baroque and native design, with a unique fart carved in local limestone. 7. CCF Center Pasig, Christ's Commission Fellowship features a 1 seat auditorium and is among the largest evangelical churches in the country. It offers modern worship services and discipleship programs. 8. Cathedral of Praise Manila, an evangelical megachurch with an 800 seat auditorium, known for dynamic worship, multiple campuses, and online services. 9. Jesus is Lord Church Bulacan, founded by Bro Eddie Villanueva. JIL has over 1 million members worldwide. Its massive gatherings are held in Bacoa and other large venues nationwide. 10. Victory Church Taguig, known for reaching the youth and professionals. Victory Church has 80,000 plus members in Metro Manila. Its main branch in BGC is one of the most attended evangelical centers. These churches reflect the spiritual heritage, faith, and unity of Filipino Christians, whether centuries old or newly built.